Hi there. So maybe you have a glow up in your hand and you want to know how to use it. This is the video for you. This is the glow up and you will see there it is. It opens up just like this, just like a compact, right? Just like that. And this is a 3-time magnifying mirror. This is a standard mirror. If I press the button on the side and let go, you will see that it turns on. Okay, so those are LED illuminating bulbs there, and that turned on. If I press and hold the button, let's get it to where it's not reflecting in your eyes. There you go. All right, press and hold the button. You will see that the light actually dims down. Now on the screen, the video is making it look like it's flickering. It is not flickering. It's actually a very nice, smooth
I attest
down.
that
Yes.
in real life, it's actually dimming
It's not flickering.
and brightening back up.
Don't believe what you see on TV. It's not real. Okay, and then if I press and hold again, it's gonna glow up and then it's gonna glow down. Okay, there it goes back down. Now, if I am finished with it and I want to turn it off, double click, tick, tick, just like that. Close it up, and we're done with the light, using the light and using the mirror.
So that's the beauty aspect of the glow up. But there's an equally important aspect to this product where, which is the technical need for this. So I'm going to show you a little bit about how you would charge the power bank aspect of the glow up so that you can use it when you're in an airport or you're stuck at your kid's soccer game and your phone is dying and you don't have power.
And it holds a lot of power. So it holds enough power to charge an iPhone 8, for example.
1.5 times full. So
okay.
1.5 times.
So the question is, will it charge every phone 1.5 times?
No, but that's just like an example. But it's around that amount. And honestly, if you're super geeky, you will want to know that it's 3,000 mAh.
Yeah, if you know that, then good for you. 3,000 mAh. So what you do is you pull up the battery specs for your phone. And let's just say your phone has a battery in it that is 3,000 mAh. It doesn't, but let's just say, for example, that it does. So if your phone has 3,000 mAh and this holds 3,000 mAh, then this will charge your phone from 0 to 100% one full time, okay? Yep. And an iPhone 8, it's going to charge it 1.5 times. Some other phones, it'll charge more than that. Some other phones, it'll charge less than that, depending upon the mAh that's in the battery in your phone.
And I have an iPhone 10, and I use it, I don't use it for a whole charge. Like, I'll use it just to get 30% to get me home, or use it 50% to get me home. But I've used it like 6 times, a little bit each time before I needed to recharge this.
So you can use it in little increments like that, or like charge it in and charge it up overnight, carry it in your purse, and then plug it in, and then you've got it.
And then you just know.
For an entire charge if you want to.
And so when it's time to recharge your power bank, your glow up, this actually comes with this little white cord. And it comes in the package, in the box right there. And this is the cord that you use in order to get this full of power. And the way that you do that is you take this little end, which is a micro USB end, and you can see there's 2 little ports there on the side, and I'm gonna plug this one in.
To the smaller
smaller one. And then this end, you should probably recognize because it's a USB port, and you see these all the time on everything. But this would go into the wall, into that little white brick that comes with your Android or your Apple phone, or it could go into your computer, or it could even go into your car. It's because some cars have those USB things, you know, in the side. So, but using this white cord with the glow up will charge the glow up so that it's packed with power, and then you would toss this in your purse and it's ready to go for when you need it in any emergency. Now let me show you how to use that and to charge your phone. So you would use the cord that comes with your phone, whether you have an Android or an Apple, and most of those are white, the ones that come with it, but I'm gonna use a fancy Tech Candy cord to demo it.
So you can also buy this from Tech Candy. This is not included in this package here, but it's a little ancillary product that really works well in tandem with this.
And if you're lucky enough to have one of these, then you can just follow along. So the USB end of a cord, your phone cord that came with your phone, or your Tech Candy cord, goes into the USB port here on the side of the glow up. And then that lightning end, or the Android end, would go into your phone actually. And there you can see that it started charging. And so now my phone is getting juice from the glow up.
So I can actually use this, right, while it's charging. So I could like walk around holding it like this, and it is taking power from the power bank and putting it into my phone, even though I'm using power out of my phone.
I have even plugged them in together and thrown them back in my purse while they were together like that. And so it's charging up when I'm not even having to pay attention to it.
Okay, so you can do it like that, or just plug it in overnight and leave it and come back the next morning and you're all charged up and ready to go.
Yep, and you know, one thing we didn't mention at the beginning is that the glow up does come in 3 colors, so they all work the same. So that if you have a gold one or a platinum one or a rose gold one, they're all going to work in the way that we just described.
Okay, so throw it in your purse, forget about it, use it when you need it, check your eyelashes with the mirror.
You can be
Use
a
the light.
selfie queen with the beautiful light and mirror and never miss the call from the one you've been waiting on. Because
Where
you're never
have
gonna
you
run out of
been our
power.
whole life?